So hello everyone, from this video you will get to know about how to run a application using Hibernate framework and how to set up the Hibernate framework with Hibernate jar file. So I have taken an example that is given by my teacher that is called CA11, in which we are developing a web application. In this, the function it is going to perform that insert the data into the database and fetch the data from the database and to display over our website. So let's see. So first you will need the Mysql connector, the Java. So connect to the database, and second you will need Hibernate jar file. So you should download the Mysql connector normally from the Apache websites, and for the Hibernate you will go to the website hibernate.org. Just follow the step and /downloads, and then you have to click on the latest stable 5.4 or whatever the things it is showing, and now you have to click on the download zip file. It will download in the zip format. Just you have to wait for 5 seconds. It will be shown in the downloads section, and it will be automatically downloaded in the zip files, right? So you have to extract that one. So I've already downloaded and extracted as well. So in this, go to the lib folder, go to the required, and here all the jar files are contained. So you have to use this all. You will know later how to use this particular. And first you have to go, and now you have to go to the help section and go to the Eclipse workspace and go to the search section and just type, wait, first load it. Yeah, now click here JBoss tools and go to the go option. Wait for it to search. And yeah, this is the particular file you have to download. Click on install and wait for it to installing. It will take some time, and you have not installed everything. Just to uncheck everything and click on the Hibernate tools. Oh, I left it. Okay, first uncheck everything and click on Hibernate tools, because we are going to use only Hibernate framework. We have to install only Hibernate framework now, and then you have to click next and finish. It will take some time in yours if you're using the setup, doing the setup for the first time, and just we need to click on finish. It's fine. Click on install anyway if it's saying wording like this. Yeah, and this video is for both, either for Windows or either for macOS, and it's need our to restart our Eclipse IDE. So we'll be restarting. Yeah, now the next thing we have to do the database setup. So first I will see the server, that is Tomcat is selected or not. Yeah, the Tomcat is selected our server, and let's see what is the structure of the data table we have to do. Yeah, we have to install here only. I have already set up my database. Don't worry, I will show you how to do the database setup also. First I will see the structure of the database. I will go to the, yeah, it's here now. The name of the database is test, and table name is emp, and inside there is 3 column: emp number, ename, and salary. Okay, then I'm using the Mysql Workbench for creating a database. You can also use XAMPP server, or if you're using MacBook, then 100% sure you will be using Mysql Workbench only, because XAMPP server is not able to work well or not able to perform your functions. Okay, just you have to follow the same step which I'm using. Just click on this create a schema, and then you have to enter the name of the table. The schema is the name of the table, and then go to the table test to table section and create table, and name of the table should be emp. That's available in the structure. Next we'll be copying same thing, and then first column will be emp number, and second column will be ename. Okay, make sure you don't have to create the primary key to the emp number, because we will be already declaring now. Okay, then we have given ename should be varchar, and emp number will be integer, and the last thing is salary, SAL. Okay, and this should be integer value, or also you can use varchar at the place of integer, depend on you, but I have selected varchar, no problem. Okay, I will see the database. Is there something is there present? No, it's blank database. Okay, Now we will have to do the database setup. I will told you now. I will show you how to do the setup. I have deleted. I will delete this one and do the setup of a new database. Just and if you're not able to view the database explorer, go to the show view option from the Windows section and you can do. And we will create the new database. Go to the right click and the database connection and right click and click the MySQL option. And here should be selected MySQL JDBC driver. If you're not able to select, go to the browser option and select the MyJDBC, and from the next to the available jar list, from there you can select the MySQL connector. Okay, that we have downloaded already. And here at the last of the URL, you have to give the name of your database. Just at what was the name of our database? Test, right? So we'll give type here test. And above this section, there is also database section, right? Database. In it, you have to type the name of the database. Either you can type their database name or just database is also okay, and put the password and username of your database, and we'll test connection and okay, it is proceed, and we'll click on finish because we have done everything fine. And I will be save my password so that next time I don't have to use. So now we have done the database setup, framework setup, and jar file setup. We have downloaded jar file, but till now I haven't done the setup. So we'll go to the file section and create new web project and give the project name CA11 and test target runtime will be Apache Tomcat and configuration will default Tomcat. Okay, and make sure you have selected here the generate web.xml development descriptor, and we'll have to click finish, and then a CA11 package will be generated here. Then we have to go to the I think don't worry, I will show you the structure of our file. How should it be? Just go to the src main web app, and here web.xml, open this one and delete everything whatever is present here, and go to the and copy everything that's present here like that. Okay, I think I have already copied. Okay, I will copy again and go here and paste everything. Don't worry, everything you will need that is available in the description. There will be also leaving my package will be also available, and as well as my report. And you can also copy the same thing as I'm copying from report, and you can also directly just use my package or rename it. Okay, we have done the setup of the XML, and in the web pages folder section we have to create 3 pages. One is index.html, so ESP, and so.jsp. Sorry, I'm saying it's ESP. Yeah. So first, and then now we're going to create the index.html file in the web pages, web app, create new, go to HTML file, and then we'll type its name index.html. Yeah, we have already copied. Fine. Okay, then we will click finish and delete everything that is present here, and we have already copied now. Okay, then we will paste it and we will try to run it once. What is happening? Run as run on server, select localhost tomcat server localhost, and we'll finish it. We can see our HTML for index.html is working fine, but the function the button we have created but is not working because I haven't written any function about that now. So we will create new JSP file and we will write function about you have seen the structure now, right? So we will have to create in this 3 files. One is HTML and 2 is JSP. So we'll go to the JSP section where is present. Yeah, so we are going to create a show-emp. Means this JSP file is written for displaying the database. We'll click finish and remove everything that is present here. I will go to my report and just copy everything present here. It's here, right? But I have already downloaded this and created once in a text format. Go to notes. Oh, we can only open this from text editor only. Right click, open with text editor. You can also copy from the report also, and you can also copy from my also that I've given in the description, Google Drive link. I have pasted everything. You can see there is some error. Don't worry, every error will get solved soon because I haven't included any package of the Hibernate. Next, we have to create the add EMP. This add EMP is the JSP page is written to inserting the data into the database. We will create the name add emp.jsp and delete everything, and we will just copy from my package and paste everything. Go to the add emp and go to the open with and text edit. We will select everything which is present here and just copy. And we will paste here and save it. Fine. You can see there is something, so more error is there because the package which have included in this one we haven't included in our package, in our file, sorry. And now the main work is here comes of the connector and jar files. You have to copy this in the lib folder. So first we will be copying Hibernate jars. Open the Hibernate folder, go to the lib section, go to the required folder and select everything, Control A, and then copy and go to the lib, right click and paste. You can see everything is pasted here. Approximately 15 to 16 folders will be there. Now we will copy the Mysql connector to connect to the database. Just copy it. Go to the Eclipse, right click on the lib folder and paste here. You can see already copied here. Now we have to do with the Hibernate files, and all the Hibernate files will be storing in the directly here. So first we'll go right click and here we'll be searching Hibernate, and yeah, let's see what we have to create. See here, we have to create one hibernate.cf configuration of XML and one Java class with the name of EMP and one is hbm.xml file. Okay, so first we will creating the hibernate.cf configuration XML file. Copy its name, go to the Eclipse. Here at the top it's present as cfg.xml. You have to click on that and click on next and give the name, file name, and yeah, just you have to click there. If you configured your database, just click get values from connection. The database you have connected automatically it will fetch here. Click on that, click on complete select profile, new SQL, click on OK. Just you can see here everything which I have created in while entering the database, creating the database, everything is entered, password, name, URL, everything. You have to do nothing, just click on the source and we will write its code, our code in it, this one. Just paste everything which is present in my report or from my package. Just copy everything, go to the Eclipse and paste here everything. Now the configuration file setup has been done successfully. We'll save it. This makes you something, sometimes you get error because of the arranging of the lines. So arrange according to yourself. Now we'll create new package with the name of mypack in which we'll be storing the Java class as well as the XML file. So just go to the create a package with the name of mypack in the src/main.java, and in that we have to create a new class. Where is class here? And we have to give its name EMP capital. It should be capital. Let's see what is its name. Here its name is eCapitalMP.java. And where is the code of that? Yeah, it's here. So give the class name eCapitalMP.java and click on finish and delete everything which present here and just copy the thing from the report. Yeah, done. Now we have to create a new XML file with the name of the class. same class which I've created is capital MP. So go to the Eclipse, right click on the package name, my pack, this name emp.hmp.xml. Okay, fine, and it should be created inside the my package. Okay, no problem. We'll go to Eclipse, create new, other, we'll select Hibernate here, and the bottom option which is available hbm.xml, you have to click next, click on the my pack, and first remove this and click on next and give here name. We should have given name emp, right? We'll give the name emp.hvm.xml, click finish. Now we'll go to the source code and delete everything is present here, and again we'll go to Safari, our report, and copy everything, and the last I think is slash hibernate. Okay, no problem. We will just do this and click on save. Now we'll run this program. Select localhost, select Tomcat, and click on finish. Restart server. Okay. Yeah, our program is running fine. Each week we can add an employee and display employee. So first we'll I will show you that nothing is stored in our database. Go to the Eclipse. I will first add employee. Add the employee number 1. Will give my name Prince Raj and salary 10,000 and click on submit. You can see something is going on in the console, and yeah, data inserted successfully. Now we'll go to the database and check is it inserted or not. Just first refresh it and open the database again. You can see there employee number 1, name Prince Raj, and salary 10,000 is stored. And we'll display the employee. Yeah, it's working fine. The biggest thing I would like to tell you that this program is only work. I don't know it's given by sir is like that or something error is in my program. If you find, please tell me. This program is only run if your database containing only one row, means only one section will be there, like one print start. I will give you example once again, don't worry. If you add you can go to home and you can number of time you can repeat the same thing, you can display the employee. But as if you add one more row in your database, this program will not work. Let's see, I'm adding again data of another employer. See, I submitted. Now one new row will be created in the database. Let's open the database. Yeah, you can see as it's added another row. And now when we will try to run our program, display employee, it will not run. If you guys, whoever is watching my video, and if you find some error, please tell me from the comment section. I could also make correction in my program. They can see. Have you got it? And what your solution now you can do for this is only just delete your database, or you can empty your database also. But in my section, I am not able to clear my database, so I will just right click on my database and delete this particular database, and we'll create the new database. Means you get to know I think it's a bug of the program, or its program is designed like that only, that this program is run only if the database having only one column, sorry, only one row. And if you add another row, this program will be start showing errors. So I will create table name, emp name of the table. Okay, first row columns will be emp number. Second, make sure it's not the primary key. So guys, from this video I think you have learned enough about how to set up a Hibernate framework in Eclipse and create a program, and how should be our structure of the program should be there. And only one thing I'm getting error in this program, either it's given our teacher is like that program only. And let's see, once again I'm entering the data in our database. Submit. Go to the Mysql Workbench, refresh it, and open the data our table. See, it's entered here 1 ABC 1000. And again we'll try to display. Yes, it will only display till your database having only one row. And if we enter again a new data in our database and we'll create a new row, then this will start saying error. So okay guys, if anyone finds some solution about this, or you can make the changes in our code, you can comment, or you can message me directly on my WhatsApp if you're my friends, if someone is watching this video. Thank you everyone, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you.